Inside with the veteran player. Here is ball, Novella. Back to Catavedo. Inside pass. Para kay Romeo. Ray, favorite shot. So basic. Para kay get out. All open. Pinatapos
Hindi nakita si Joel.
Ray crosses over. Trying to make a small bounce pass. Oh, what a great pass. Inside six balance. Ray inside. Answers that to the net. And bounces off. Romeo with the points for the 16ers at the fly. Romeo. Steelers on the line. 3-2 is there. Catavedo. Kick out inside, one-hander. No good. Williams getting his own miss. Running shot. Sitting 14 points. 5.
Ball foul. Graduate kasi mo na-enjoy yung tabla.
For 3.